all we have to do to be a global citizen, all we have to do to find the fuel that's going to really take our business to the next level, that's more importantly going to help our family, our community, and the world, is take the needs of the person sitting right next to us and place them on an equal to or greater pedestal than our own. Please help me welcome to the stage the 8th Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon. Sorry about that. I have telekinetic powers.
I'm Chris Bashinelli. I help organizations ignore the noise, step outside of their comfort zones, and understand what it means to be a global citizen.
Oh, man! Being a global citizen means being a productive citizen of the world. It means connecting with your passion and using that passion to serve others. You do this every day of the week? Oui.
I've spoken around the world, from Fortune 500 companies like BMW to TEDx to entrepreneur groups in Saudi Arabia, and have shared the stage with Stevie Wonder and Dr. Jane Goodall.
Thank you so much for being here with me.
It's fun being here with you.
Service is not the byproduct of success. It is the starting point.
By taking audiences on an interactive international adventure, we can improve our cultural understanding, transform service into productivity, and unleash our full potential.
No.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I traveled to Mongolia to live as a nomad for National Geographic.
Yeah, baby.
I just want you to know that I love you. I just gotta take off my blazer. But isn't that funny and also scary that that's how far we have to go away from what our core is telling us before we finally wake up?